this is a video about how to control Facebook ads frequency. One of the way here is we do exclusion. And Ferris is saying that when you do exclusion, the cost is going to be so high. I actually beg to differ. Okay, the Facebook ad cost will not get high just because you apply exclusion. Because first thing first, you need to understand why do you want to apply exclusion, because you want to make sure that your ads are not keep showing in front of people who have taken action on it, click on it and whatever. Because naturally, let's say when you optimize for sales, Facebook will always show your ads in front of people who are more likely to convert. But the thing here is these people, they probably have clicked, they probably have convert. If you don't do exclusion, you will keep coming back to them because of the intent that Facebook believe that they have on your ad or your product or your services. So what you need to do here is you need to learn when to push this audience away, because the whole idea here is, especially for top of funnel campaign, the purpose of a top of funnel campaign is to always reach new people for you, so that you can always have inflow of new audience to be introduced to your product, and hopefully you'll get some of the audiences to convert into customer. And if even some we did not convert with the intent, you can actually do retargeting to actually try to convert them further down. Now, the top of funnel especially, you need to apply exclusion. So when you apply exclusion, technically you're only pushing people who have taken action away from seeing the ad. Technically, you will still be able to reach a mass audience that you're targeting out there. So it's not gonna make your ad cost go high. I've seen, I've been applying exclusion technique for all my clients' campaigns and all that in the past 10 odd years, to be frank. It's so rare that when we apply exclusion, the costs get high. So if you do apply exclusion, the costs get high, probably there must be something that is wrong in the campaign. It may not be the exclusion, it may be something else, or maybe in the settings that you may actually apply incorrectly, I wouldn't say. So yeah, it's really that, because usually the audience that are being excluded are not big, and usually you're targeting even bigger audience out there. So that wouldn't actually cause the cost to go high. So if you do have that situation, I would encourage that you start diving into the whole campaign metrics itself and try to see what is really causing it. Is it because of the CTR? Is it because of the CPM? Because usually if you do exclusion, the CTR may increase because you might be reaching more people, and hopefully from there, the fresh people see it, they will actually click more. So the CTR may improve. If you already have good CTR, then it will actually get better from there. And the CPM wouldn't actually increase much because you are only pushing a fraction of people away. So what's wrong with the entire campaign that causes your cost to become high? We really need to analyze and find out why. So if you face this situation where your ad costs become high after you apply exclusion, well, I would like to look at your campaign. So I would encourage that you scan this QR code. It will take you to my Fiverr gig where we can actually have a 30-minute one-on-one Zoom call over here, where I would actually first build a dashboard with all the metrics that you need to track for your campaign and your business. And then after that, I will analyze it for you and, share with you how to analyze it yourself. And after that, as we analyze it, we will build a plan on how to how can we possibly take the campaign to the next level, or to fix what's broken in the campaign, hopefully to bring the cost down. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So if that's what you want, if you're running ads and you kind of not sure why your cost is getting high and all that, you need to, you need to have somebody who is experienced to look at your situation, to give you personalized recommendation. Scan this QR code, and I look forward to work with you.